I hope we have recalled everything that we studied in the previous class. Now let's open our books. Page number 2. We have already solved this exercise in our previous class. Now we'll come to page number 3, exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with letters to form any 3 words that will follow the highlighted words in a dictionary. One has been done for you. So exercise B says that we have to fill these blanks with letters to form any 3 words that will follow the highlighted words. These are the highlighted words. Okay, and one is done for you. You can see over here. So I am going to explain it over here to you. The first word was penguin. And this is the highlighted word given to us, and we have to form the words with PER, PET and PI. Yes. So what we'll see the first letter first, P. But again P is common over here. If you can see कि इन तीनों में भी P common है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम सेकेंड लेटर देखेंगे क्योंकि हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर कॉमन है. तो हमारा सेकेंड लेटर क्या है यहाँ पे, E. अब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं. अगेन द सेकेंड लेटर इज E. तो अब कैसे पता लगेगा कि कौन सा वर्ड पहले आएगा और कौन सा बाद में आएगा. Then I told you that we'll see the third letter. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड लेटर क्या है, N. Can you see? So PEN. Now if we see over here, which is the third letter over here, R. PER. Yes. So R comes after N. That means it is on the right place. Yes. Now when we see the third word over here, third letter over here, which is the third letter, T. Is it on the right place? Yes, it is on the right place because T किसके बाद आता है, R के बाद आता है. Here the third letter is N, here the third letter is R and here the third letter is T. R से पहले N आता है और T से पहले R आता है. So these are arranged alphabetically. Now if we see to the third word, PI. Now what we'll see over here, we'll see the second letter. E के बाद क्या आता है, I. So this is also on the right place. Now अब हमें इसमें करना क्या है, we have to form 3 words over here. PER से हमें एक word form करना है, PET से एक word form करना है and PI से एक word form करना है. So it is already given in the book. PER MIT permit, PETAL petal, PICTURE picture. So this is already done for you. Now we'll come to the second word, which is garden. Now I'll explain it to you so that it could be. So the second word is garden. If we see the first letter of this word, it is G. Then again we'll see the first letter over here, it is again G. Third word, the first letter is G. Fourth word, the first letter is G. That means the first letter is common in all the 4 words. Yes. Now what we'll do, we'll look at the second letter. The second letter over here is A. Over here the second letter is E. So is it on the right place? Yes, it is on the right place. Why? Because A किससे पहले आता है, E से पहले आता है. So this is on the right place. Then we'll again see the second letter in the third word, it is E. तो ये भी right place पे है because ये दोनों common है. Now we'll see the second letter over here. So what we see over here, what is written over here, O. तो क्या ये सही जगह पे है? Yes, because ओ से पहले क्या आता है? ई आता है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज मेक अ नोट. यहाँ पे 2 वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. अब जो भी वर्ड हम यहाँ पे फॉर्म करेंगे, हमें इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है दैट इट should not repeat, or any word should not come over here which comes before this word. I'll tell you. If we write over here GEM, now we are writing over here GEM. So this word is gem. Now when we see over here GE, so think of a word. If I write over here gel, is it right? No, this is wrong, because L कब आता है? M से पहले आता है और हमें इसके बाद वर्ड चाहिए. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. हमें M के बाद का थर्ड वर्ड चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हम L नहीं लिख सकते. वी हैव टू सर्च अ वर्ड विच कम्स आफ्टर M. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या वर्ड फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? GENTLE, gentle. This is right, because the third word over here and the third word over here, M N से पहले आता है. So this is the right alphabetical order. We cannot write a word which comes before the previous word. Okay, now if we see over here GOA, and we can write a word over here goal. So this is how we'll do our exercise. So like this we'll solve exercise B, and you have to do this exercise in your textbook. Okay, you will mention the date and you will write CW over here and you will fill the exercise in your. Okay, so now let's turn our pages. Exercise C. If the running head on the left hand page is party and that on a right hand page is pattern, underline the words that would appear on these 2 pages. So the heading says that the running head. Now everyone knows what is a running head. The words in the top of the page in a dictionary. Okay, so the left hand page is, the word is party, and on the right hand page the word is pattern. And here are some examples from which you have to underline only the words that will appear in these 2 pages. Which 2 pages? The pages between the party and the pattern. Now we look over here, party and pattern. That means first we'll see the first alphabet, P and P. They are common. Then the second alphabet, A and A. Again the second letter is common. Now we'll come to the third letter, R and T. That means we have to search for the words which will start from PAR and end at PAT. They will come between these words. Okay, is it clear? Now when you see over here, it is written party, PARTY. So when we'll see the last word Y, do you think that now any word will come after Y which has a letter after Y? That means अब अगर हमें इसके बाद कोई वर्ड चाहिए तो Y के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? Z आना चाहिए. बट ऐसा कोई वर्ड नहीं होगा जिसमें Z आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो क्या होगा? PART वाले सारे वर्ड्स हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. ओके, दैट मीन्स नाउ PART पोर्शन इज कैंसिल. So we'll look into the book, and first we'll cancel all the PART words. PART. Does N comes after Y? No, so we will cancel this word. Okay, so again PAR, yes. So we'll see the fourth letter R and we'll see the fourth letter T. Does R comes after T? No, so we will again cancel this word. PARA. Does A comes after T? No, so we'll again cancel this word because it will not come in these pages, because these words come before T. Yes, Then we have PAR. Okay, so our next word is partial. So we'll see PAR is common, then we'll come to T, it is again common. The next letter is I. So does I comes after Y? No. So we'll cancel this word. PATH, path. So we are talking about PAT. So does T comes after R? Yes. So we'll underline this word. Okay. Then we'll come to pause. PAU. The third letter is U. Does U comes after R? Yes. So we'll again underline this word. Then we'll come to past. PAST, past. Does S comes after R? Yes. So we'll underline this word. Pastry. So the third letter S, does S comes after R? Yes. So we'll again underline this word. Then we'll come to the next word, partly. So party and partly. Does Y comes before L? No, it comes after L. So we'll cancel this word, part. So we'll again cancel this word because this will not come after party. Then we have patient. So PAT. Does T comes after R? Yes. So again we'll underline this word. So this is how we are going to solve this exercise. Now you have to do exercise B and exercise C in your books. Very neatly write the date and fill in your exercises. Thank you.